I'm in Canada. Montreal is artsy and quirky and really beautiful, and I thought I'd kick it off with the Rainbow Street. This is gonna be a little bit of a whirlwind week for me. I'm in Montreal right now. My friend and I are heading up to Toronto to check out Niagara Falls. But right now I am walking through Gay Village. And it's not a nickname, that is the name of this area. It is the gay district here in Montreal, and they're having a huge art festival right now. So there are tons of artists displaying their work. There's gonna be art installations and live painting. Montreal has a sort of 100 Days of Summer vibe going, and if you haven't seen that movie, see it now. That said, the winters here are really rough, so when they have beautiful days like today, everybody's outside. So this is Amelia Gamblin Park. You can walk around here, you can actually pick fresh herbs and veggies, buy a beer or sangria, and just hang out in the sunshine. Here they have strawberries, some kale, squash blossoms, all kinds of stuff. Now I'm walking around Parc Lafontaine. For the obvious name, there's a big fountain right in the middle of it. This is a big, beautiful park right in the plateau area of downtown Montreal. You can catch people biking and rollerblading or just picnicking and relaxing. There's a little bit of everything, and there's people everywhere because it's another gorgeous day. Metro that runs all over the city, so it's really easy to get around. So you guys remember the Bohemian Quarter in Belgrade, Skardaska? This is the Bohemian Quarter of Montreal, and it's called Jacques-Cartier. Jacques-Cartier is part of old Montreal, and it still has the old cobblestone streets. Montreal is a Canadian city with a French soul. Montreal is Canada's second largest city and the second largest population of French speakers outside of France. So here on Jacques-Cartier you can find all kinds of vendors selling trinkets, jewelry, and art, as well as flower-lined restaurants and cafes, ice cream shops, and caricatures. If you want to buy anything touristy, this is where you come to get it. Just across the street from Jacques-Cartier is the Old Port. These days, there are still ships here, but you can find food trucks, more vendors selling more stuff, and a big Ferris wheel.
I feel feeling so lost. Chasing what?
The Old Port runs along the St. Lawrence River and is a great place to take a stroll on a nice day.
In all this time, you tell me that you need some space, some time to go and clear your head, and that you need to go.
So now I'm on the boardwalk where you can walk. Now I'm on the boardwalk where you can walk along. That's so hard to say. On the boardwalk where you can walk along. I'm on the boardwalk where you can walk along the St. Lawrence River. There's a great clock tower. It's really long. There's people riding their bikes and just walking. There's boats, there's kids. It's a beautiful day. It's a great way to spend an afternoon. This city seems to have everything. If you get tired of city, just head to Montreal. It's a massive mountain with a beautiful park right in the middle of the city. You can hike, there's viewpoints. I'm actually heading to one right now.
All the pain that you've left me, all the scars you've left behind. Why you go and set yourself free? But I'm never gonna let you go. Never gonna stop this, so I'm always gonna.
Looks like everybody else had the same idea.
It's got me feeling so down. I can't control.